Here off the coast of the South China Sea is where the ultimate touring kayak is made. We'll take you on a short tour and introduce you to the process and show you our team on the factory floor. We've worked hand in hand over here developing our team for the last several years. Not unlike paddling trips or expeditions themselves, we've always considered the design and the making of these kayaks to be a pursuit. It takes teamwork with a level of focus and an attitude of excellence both individually and collectively as the group. Any great pursuit requires great leadership. Our team in the Philippines are a close-knit group and they have strong leaders. Handcrafted by our team, the process starts with cutting, preparing, and assembling our polyurethane deck and hull material. These components are welded into a one-piece skin. No gluing or sewing involved. Each kayak comes with entirely welded seams using hot air welding and radio frequency welding technology. Focus and intensity are needed during key moments. Using the frame as its structure, we then perform a highly precise and skilled process to form the bow and stern tips and hand weld the closure. It is a combination of artistic talent, carefully selected tools, and years of experience. Our team ensures quality control throughout the process, including a final functional inspection and cleaning. Finished off with customizable deck rigging and a full perimeter reflective deck line, the TRAK 2.0 is equipped to handle the demands of active sea kayaking. In the end, each beautifully detailed kayak is ready to take on any condition, anywhere, any water. Learn more and find out how to reserve yours for next season at trakkayaks.com.